Today, we will learn to convert data into table. This has many benefits that we will learn later. But for now, let us select the data to be converted to tables. Thereafter, we may choose any scheme design from the drop-down menu that appears on clicking Format as Table. A pop-up asks us, where is the data for your table? Note that it is already populated since we have selected the data to be converted into table. The checkbox for My table has headers is also selected. So all we need is to click OK. Notice the changes in appearance. The rows have been shaded and are now more distinct. You will also notice that the headers have downward arrows besides them. Click on the arrow besides percentage and observe the drop-down menu that appears. Untick all percentage below 70 and then click OK. Observe how the percentage below 70 have been filtered out. Click Ctrl Z to undo it and get back all the data. Now with any cell from the table selected, click the Insert tab and then opt for Recommended Charts. You will find several options in the first column and the resultant chart besides it. Choose the one that you prefer and click OK. The chart is made. Now click on the Select Data and untick total marks obtained, and percentage, and then click OK. Now click on the plus sign besides the chart and select the Data Label checkbox. You will notice that the percentage figures have been populated.